So, hello, my friend. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Harsh, founder of Paraxima. I help construction companies book leads, help in labors, help in hiring, and help in estimation a lot. Like, I'm basically a kind of construction guy who is helping construction guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how I help my client close jobs worth 122k dollars in just 3 months. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So this is my client. I cannot share their name and their website because it is not NDA approved. But let me tell you, like, what are the problems they were facing. So were getting no leads. They had no tech knowledge. Like, they don't know what is AI, what is meta ads. They were not running any kind of thing to get leads, to get business. They just have a basic website which were not getting any kind of results for them. Second, they are getting projects mainly from referrals. So they believe that that was the only way to get clients. They were in myth because of that thing. And third thing is, like, they were uploading random images of their projects, like no like good branding or something. They were just uploading random images of their projects on Instagram and Facebook, and like they were kind of getting a response, but were not able to close them. Most of them were like kind of service sellers. So let me introduce me. So that's my LinkedIn. I have more than 2000 followers on LinkedIn, and I help bringing businesses to construction companies. I have booked like 100k deals for most of my construction clients, and with the help of my Veda, my AI teams, and it helps clients with their sales reps. And I also help clients with construction hiring. Let me share you my website. So that's my website. It's fully based on construction companies. I help construction companies, outdoor living, contractor, and most of related to construction services. And here my one of the two hero products. First is Veda AI sales system, voice agent, dashboard, smart chatbots, meta ads, follow-up system, and cold calling campaigns. And with that, there's a construction hire where we help to like kind of hire the crane equipments, technical experts, site supervisor, and skilled worker. We are fully niche down on construction. We have held a lot of construction companies. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So, how we help this guy? So, basically, he was facing a lot of problems with leads. So, first, and one of the most important thing we did for him is we started building a brand for him. We started bringing impressions. We started bringing leads for him in his business, mainly cost per results. So, let me share you the meta ads. Like, first, we ran meta ads for him. So he got around 93,000 of impressions near his locality, near his like state. And he, by the way, he was located in Florida. Yeah. And the amount, like, basically a USA based company, and we spent around $521, and they get around 3,264 link clicks, and 1,772 were unique, and their cost per click is like $0.16. So that is like kind of a good impression which you can get in construction type of businesses, because it usually go from $20 to $58 per result. So that is a good impression which we got. But not just meta ads that we provide regarding this thing. We also help them with building a fully processed system which handles all the leads who are coming in their funnel. And I'm going to explain you this right now. So we build an AI infrastructure, which is our Veda, and how it actually helps them. So the process is very simple that we build for them is, let's take an example. Like, what we did is, for like, first we run a meta UGC ads. So we created a really good kind of meta UGC ads, telling like really kind of original looking ads, not fake or very kind of design, not like that. We did a simple ads, a really good and working ads. We built them with the help of AI system that we have. With the like, what this AI system do is basically it check like what are the running like high quality and what are the successful ads which are running regarding construction, and from them we will create really good AI generated ads. Not just that, we basically it capture attention, so that is like whole motive. So first we create meta UGC ads for them. Second, we build chatbot automation, not basic chatbot, AI conversation chatbot who converts the client, who book meeting, who schedule meeting, who cancel meeting, everything in just conversation, and also book. Once the lead click, let's take an example, a client click on their meta ads, and from that they like message them on their kind of either Instagram or either Facebook, and from that they land in your Facebook and Instagram chatbot system, which instantly handle all the system means they will do talk with you, they will try to convert you, because they are trained according to your knowledge base and according to our sales system. So they are better than a sales guy performing on Instagram and chatbot. Not just that, instant call follow up by our Veda. So we have also adding voice agent to their system, which is kind of, if there is a guy who fill up a form, like let's take an example, name, email and phone number. If someone fill the lead form, they will instantly get a call within 60 seconds, and the call will be very simple. It will be like someone pick up the call. So it will be like you just put an inquiry on pool construction company, and this are you interested? So he will basically ask some questions and all, and after that if they were interested he will qualify them, and at the end he will book meeting with the client directly. And with that you are also going, like he also gets some perks, which are email, as soon as the lead form, as soon as the guy fill his email in either the chatbot or either in the lead form or either in the call. So it will be so simple, either they will get uh, email from and voice follow up. So that is the whole motive. So Facebook chatbot automation are handling their objection in real time for your system, for your construction, and convince them, book or reschedule meeting, and engage leads with 24/7. And it follow up automation is doing like call as same as human, no difference, not even 0.1%. And they book meetings, convince them for a field visit for their property, also reschedule meeting, cancel and follow up, everything without human. Call them again, not just one time, they will call again for 3 times until picked. And at the end if they did not pick, even after doing call for 3 times, they will be added to 1 month after follow up. Same with email. First we will send master email with you show interest in this service, are you interested, share us. They will if they are interested in first email, they will reply you and they will start conversation from there. But if they did not, then they will get a follow-up email 1, follow-up email 2, follow-up email 3, and same with 1 month after follow-up. In this system there are no chances that this guy can leave anywhere. Like if this guy is interested, my system will automatically book them. If we are getting 90 or 100 leads per month out of meta, then there are chances that our system can close 3 out of leads in any possible way. With that, there is also a process of Veda, which is a cold calling agent, which I have just explained there. So it will scrape the leads from your locality. It will You can also provide us the leads whom have followed up in your previous days or previous year. We can also call them that they were still interested or not. And this will be the system. It will be a cold calling system. So this is the full system where we will also revive your old leads. We will also not let go the new leads. And this system helped a lot of clients, like I can show you. This is some of my clients like Aminata Kane, Alan Badra, Desmond Kane, and these clients are getting meetings like that, and they have around 1829. These are their clients with our system, so they are actually doing good. So this is the whole case study. With this system, this client generated over 122k dollars, and you guys can also help them too. So that's all for the video, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.